recording and I will share my screen. Okay, let me know once you are able to see the screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I will first we will look into that basic because Farhana don't know anything about Java. Okay, so
Okay.
I will just give an intro of 5 minutes with the Java. Okay, so what is Java? First of all, why Java is very famous? Okay, now if you see, first of all, Java is also like open source tool. Okay, so you no need to pay anything for Java.
Okay.
Yeah, you no need to pay. You no need to pay anything for the Java. Okay, and also you can just download that in. You can just download from the Google and then you can start working in that. It will not have anything. So many people start learning that. It was introduced in 1995. Okay, now it is owned by Oracle company. Okay, there are more than 3 million devices running on Java. Okay, more than that. Okay, like Java is used everywhere, like even for it is used in mobile devices, for mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, okay, web services, for games, okay, database connections. It is used across various different things. Okay, Java. Okay, why we have to learn Java? Okay, fine. Java is open source. Okay, because it is a very popular programming language. Okay, Java is very popular
Okay.
programming language. It is one of the popular programming language, and also it supports for the different platforms: Windows, Macs, Linux. Okay, it supports Windows, Mac, Linux, different platforms. Okay, it is also easy to
Okay.
learn and it is simple. See, when I say easy to learn, when you show interest, then only it is easy to learn. If you don't show interest, then anything is difficult. Okay, when someone shows interest, then it is easy to learn. Okay, and then it is open source and free, and also it is secure, fast and powerful. Okay, when I tell secure means it has some security, inbuilt security. Okay, and also it is fast. Okay, and also it is having very huge community support. When I say community support, for example, when you are working on Java and if you are stuck somewhere, you are unable to get the answer, if you just Google, you will get the answer, because there are many community support. Okay, because many people are using Java, you can get all the solutions in the Google only, but you have to know where to implement, what to implement, and how to implement that solutions. Okay, is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Good. Yeah, okay. So now, so what is prerequisite required for to learn Java? So no prerequisite is required. There is nothing is required. Okay, if you are interested to learn, then automatically you can learn Java. Okay, it's not required to have
Okay.
any knowledge. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So now we will start. Okay, now
Okay.
we are trying to install. First we have to install the Java. Okay, see, whenever I tell open source, fine, but how we will get that open source available to in our laptop? We should,
Whenever we install it. Yes.
yeah, whenever we install, then only we can work. So now first we will see how to install. Okay, so I will tell you how to install and then how to work. Okay, so you can go to command prompt. Okay, so when I say command prompt, it is nothing. You can just go to search and then enter CMD. CMD is nothing but the shortcut for command prompt. Okay,
Okay.
so when you open command prompt, you will be getting this small black window. So this is nothing but this is called as command prompt. What is this called?
Command prompt.
Command prompt. Now you want to check whether the Java is installed or not. For example, if in your laptop already Java is installed, okay, then
Yes.
you don't need to install again. Yes or no? you can check whether Java is installed or not. Okay, for that, where we have to check? First of all, you tell whenever you install something, where it will be installed in your laptop, where you can go and check whether it is installed or not.
Downloads.
Drives, D drive,
Sorry,
drives,
Programs.
drivers too.
okay. See, download, we will just download. Yes or no, Farhana? Whenever
Yeah.
you want to
Yes.
download, you will download. Okay.
Yes.
So now, when we want to install, where it will go and sit install. When we are installing something, okay, it will ask the option where you have to go and install, where it has to go
Okay.
and sit. See, you downloaded now. Okay.
Okay.
See, for example, when you're downloading some photos from Google Drive or Google, you will download, but that default download folder will be download folder. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever you download something, it will go and sit in download folder because you don't know
Yes.
where it has to download. But then what you do, you will take from there and put in folder wherever you want.
Yes.
Or when downloading only, you can give where it has to download. Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
that is just download, means you are just keeping that set available. Now, because this is a installer, what it is, Java, it is a
Installer.
installer. When it is called as installer, then we have to download. After download, we have to install that. Okay.
Fine.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
When we are telling about install, how to install, I will show you. Okay. Now, first I want to check whether the Java is installed or not. Okay. For that, what is the command? It is Java space hyphen version. What is that? Java
Java space
space
hyphen.
hyphen version. So this command is used to know whether the Java is installed in your laptop or not. If it is installed, which version of Java is installed? Okay, because we have different versions for Java also. Okay. So now if I run this command, it is telling Java. So if you get like this, then it says that Java is installed. Okay. If you tell this command is unable to detect this command, then Java is not installed. Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now if you see, it is giving the version 1.8. Okay. So it means that Java is installed. Okay. So what is the command to check whether Java is installed or not?
Java hyphen version.
Java space hyphen version. Okay. Clear? So this is the command. Okay. Okay, fine. Now you downloaded. After download, you go to that particular. For example, I have downloaded this. Okay. Zip file. How to download? I will give the URL. For example, this is the I will share you this document. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the URL. Okay. This is the
Okay.
URL. You have to go to here and then so this is the URL which you open. It will open the Oracle website directly. Okay. Is it clear? This is
Okay.
so we are here. We are having some latest versions. So we are not worried about the latest versions because we want to take something which is stable, very stable. Okay. So
Okay.
if we scroll down, just I'm opening the URL. I'm just scrolling down. Okay. When you scroll down, you can see here Java 8. Okay. Okay, so now in this, because it is already selected, you need not to worry. You can just scroll down. So here it is Java 20. You don't need to take. Okay, when you scroll down, there is Java 8. So if you scroll here, you can see installers. You can see here Linux, Mac, Solaris, Windows. Okay, but we need Windows because we have Windows laptops. If you have Mac laptops, then you have to go here and click and then download this. Okay, but we have Windows. So now everyone has Windows or Mac.
Windows.
Windows.
Yeah, so when it is Windows, you can go to this window or by default it will be selected. Okay, how you know that it is selected? You can see that it is a dark mark here below that. Okay, if Solaris is selected, you can see the dark mark here. Okay, now you can
Yeah.
see whether when you go to Windows, you can see x64 or x86, two installers. You can see two installers. Okay, you can see x64 or x86 installer. Fine. So now when you see this installer, our computer, mostly our laptops will be x64 only. Our laptops will be x64, 99%. Okay. So how to know whether your laptop is 64 or 86? Simple. You can go to the folder, and then if you go to right click on your computer, okay, you can go to the desktop and right click on the desktop, or you can right click on this PC, okay, and then go to properties. If you go to properties, you can see here the processor name, and then you can see the install memory, and then you can see it is 60. The system time is 64-bit. Are you able to see here 64-bit?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How you can know that? You can just right click on this computer, okay, or you can go to the desktop and then you can right click and then you can go to, for example, sorry, on the desktop also you can see this PC. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You can right click on this PC icon, you can go to properties, okay, and then you can see it is 64-bit. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now you know which installer how to you download. So now what you will do, you'll click on this, okay, because you have to download. So you know that your laptop is 64-bit. You will go here and click on this download. So if you see here, it is telling it is .exe. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What is meant by .exe?
Executed files.
.exe means it is a executable file. What is that?
Executable files.
So whenever you are downloading some executable file, after download, you have to double click on that and then you have to execute. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm downloading. So I'm just clicking on this. That's it. When I click on this, it is asking download. Okay, I'm clicking on download. When I click on download, it will ask, because this Oracle website has some security, like only the account holders can download. Okay, but you don't have the account, then what you will do, you will create an account. Okay, it's simple. It will not ask any money to create account. It is free. If you have already created account, you can just directly log in with that account, or you can just create an account. How to create? You'll just go to create account and then you will fill your details. Okay, here you will all fill your details and create an account. Once you create an account, you can directly go on login. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
Once it is
Yes.
logged in, the download start.
Okay.
Is it clear? Because already I have account. Okay, I can just try to log in. Okay, I don't remember the password. Yeah, I don't remember the password, but you can create the account and then you can try to download. Okay, so once it download, you can see in the download folder that specific file. Okay,
Okay.
you can see in the download folder. Then you can extract that. Whenever there is a zip file, how will you extract? Simple. You can just right click on that and then you can extract. So for assume this is download folder. Okay, you can just right click and then click and extract to. Okay, when you
Okay.
right click on that, you will be getting all these options. You have to click the option extract to that folder name. Okay, once you extract, in few seconds you'll see this folder. Okay, for example, is that clear?
Yeah.
So when you see that folder, you will get an extractable file. Okay,
In downloads, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Quickly, I will just try to show you. 1 minute. So now what I have to do? I'm unable to log in. I don't remember my password. Then what I have to do?
Need help.
Need help.
Forgot password.
Yeah, I can do my
Need
forget
help.
password. Okay, need help.
Need help.
Link, forget password, forget username. No, forget password. Forget password.
You should press the down arrow first.
No, it should expand automatically. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
No, not received any email. Fine, I am unable to, but you can try. Yeah, I am not receiving email now.
There is an option, sir. If you're not receiving an email.
Yeah, we have an if you have an account for this user email, you have an email link to reset the password. No, I'm not receiving email.
Okay.
So yeah, just now I received. 1 minute. I'm resetting the password. I'm using my mobile because I already received an email in my mobile. Okay, I have updated the password. I will try to log in now. We will see what happens. Sign in. Okay, I have sound. See, when I click here, you can see download is happening here. Okay, yes or no? See here. You saw. So after sign in, the download starts. You are able to see the downloader here.
Yes.
So once the download is completed, you can go to the downloads and then you can see a zip file will be available in the same name. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to extract that zip. Okay. So zip is nothing but the compressed. Okay. Whenever something is having more data, then we can download in a zip format. Okay. The person who is having that download will be in a zip format. Then I can right click here. I can go show in folder wherever it has download. So it has download here. Okay. So now if you see like this is not a zip file. Okay. Now it has comment with it's not a zip file. You can just directly download. So whenever you see zip file, it is like zip file here. Okay. But here it's not a zip file. So you can just directly double click. Okay. Is that clear to everyone?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So whenever zip file, you can see like this so that you have to extract it and then use. But this is not the zip file which I have downloaded now.
Okay.
So now see, when you see, I'm just double clicking on that. When I'm double clicking, it is asking this wizard will guide you through the, so you have to just click on next. That's it. Clear? Because already it is installed. So I'm not going to install. You can just click on next, and then you can verify. Okay. You can try to install. If you have any doubts, you can check. Okay, fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you have installed. Now Java is available. But how to use Java? You have installed Java, but when you are checking whether Java is installed or not, okay. So after installing, where you will check whether Java is installed or not?
Control panel.
Command prompt.
So in the command prompt, okay. Again, you have to go to see already. If you have previously opened command prompt, which was opened before Java installation, it will not detect. Okay, so again, you have to close the command prompt and open once again a fresh command prompt. Okay, how to open? You will go to the search and then you will type CMD. Okay, you have to open. See, if you check the Java space hyphen version in previous open command prompt, which was opened before installing the Java, you don't find that. You have to close the command prompt and reopen again freshly. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Java space hyphen version, then you will get the new Java version. Okay, so now Java is installed. So now after Java is installed, you have to use Java. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you want to use Java, how will you use? Where you will use? See, whenever we want to use, we want some interface. We want something to use, right? Yes or no? Then we have in the market, we have different IDE. It is called as IDE. Okay. It is IDE, means where we can write the Java programs. We need something to write, right? Yes or no? We know Java is a programming language, but where to write? We are going to learn how to write. Okay, but where to write? So there are different different tools where we can write, like Eclipse, IntelliJ. We are having different things. Okay, for example, for .NET also a different programming language. How Java is there? C is a programming language. C++ is a programming language. .NET, C#, okay, Java, these are different programming languages. Okay, so for Java, the famous IDE is, we are having like IntelliJ, we are having Eclipse. The famous is Eclipse. Which one?
Eclipse.
So Eclipse is the tool where, so Eclipse is a IDE. It is a tool where we use to write the programs. Okay, where we will write the programs in Eclipse. Yes or no? Okay. See how to write. I'm going to teach. Where to write? We are going to take the help of Eclipse. Okay. How to take the Eclipse? Simple. Eclipse also is a executable file. What?
Executable file.
Okay. So now when it is an executable file means we have to download and then install. How to install? We have to double click on that and then install. Okay. When I double click, it will give me the instructions. What are the instructions to follow? After double click, I have to go click on next. Okay. It will go and install. You need not to do anything. You just want to read the instructions and follow the instructions on the window. Is it clear?
Yes.
So now I will give you this URL. So you can just directly go and access this URL. So when you access this URL, you can download. See, automatically the download is coming. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
For example, I will go here. So downloads. So when you download, you will be getting like this zip file. Okay. So now how to extract? You will right click on this and click on extract to Eclipse. You're getting my point?
Yeah.
So you'll get extract files, extract here. Don't try these options. You try extract to Eclipse. So when I click on, it will be extracting and it will be coming. It will be creating a new folder. Okay. Because already I have, it was giving me error. So I'm not going to extract. I will go already directly Eclipse. So this is how it comes. Okay. So when I open this folder, you can go here. You can see there is something called Eclipse. Okay. So if you right click on this and see the properties, it will tell that This is the path where we have downloaded. Very good. Now what we are going to do? We are going to install. How to install? Just double click on this. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
After extracting, you have to go to this folder and then you have to go inside this folder. Then you can double click on this Eclipse. Okay. And then you can follow the instructions to install. Okay. So you are going to install Java and then you are checking whether Java is installed successfully or not. Then you are going to install Eclipse. Okay. So now Eclipse also is installed in your laptop. Yes or no? So see, Java you will check by going to, you are going to check Java.
In
How you are
command,
going to check Java?
command prompt.
Through command prompt.
Space hyphen version.
No. 1 minute. I'm just stopping 1 minute. Some exit. Okay. So how you are checking? Simple. If you go to
Command.
search, if you go to search again, you can see, you can type Eclipse. It will come automatically if it's installed. Okay. See, you can see the app. Okay. Or when you are installing, it will also give you the path where it is installing. Ideally, our applications will install C program files or C program files x86. Okay, so when installing, if you carefully read, it will also give the path where it is installing. For Java, it will be like a C program files Java. Okay, for example, if you go to that path, you can see C, you can go C, and then you can see program files, and you can see Java. This is the path where it goes and install. Okay, and also we need to tell one more thing. For example, after installing Java, you are unable to, even after installing successfully Java, you close the command prompt and open the new command prompt, and you are trying to give Java space hyphen version, but still you are unable to see the version. Sometimes it happens. Okay, you don't see the Java version. In that case, you have to do one more setup, which is environmental variables. What is that?
Environment variables.
Exactly. You have to check the environmental. You have to set the environmental variables. Now you are going to see how to set the environmental variable. Okay. How to set the environmental variable. What is environmental variables? So we are setting some variables to our laptop. Okay. Environment is nothing. It's a combination of hardware and software, which we discussed. Yes or no? So now our laptop is the environment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to set the environmental variable, means we have to set the variable in our environment. How to set? Simple. So now everyone, does anybody know about command prompt? Sorry, control panel.
Yeah.
Everyone know control panel?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
Farhana, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to go to control panel?
We'll go to the search
Super.
option and then type control
Okay.
panel.
Okay. You
and the
go
direct-
here and you will type control panel. Okay. So when you type control panel, you are already got here. You can just click on that. Control panel will
Yes.
open. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Now here you can click on system and security. Yeah, you can click on the system and security. Okay. After clicking on system and security, we are having this system, right?
Yes.
Or experience. You can click on this system. Okay. Clear. So where you have to go? You have to search for control panel. Okay.
System
So
security and then
when you go to control panel, you can click on first one, system and security, and then you have to click on system. Okay. Because we have to set the environmental variable in the system. Yes or no?
yes.
When you click on the system, this window will open. Okay. When this window opens, you have to click on advanced system settings. Where?
Advanced system settings.
Okay. Or you can directly go to your desktop, right click on this PC icon. Okay. And then click on properties. Then you will directly go to this page. It's same control panel, system and security and system. Okay.
Okay.
Clear. Or and then after going here, you have to click on advanced system settings. When you click on advanced system settings, one more window will open. Okay. So here you can see environmental variables. Is that clear?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so when I click on environmental variables, it will open this window. Okay, so here you can see user variables and system variables. So we want to set the Java in the system variables. Okay, where do you want to set the Java?
System variables.
System
We have to
variable.
sit in the system variables. Okay, very good. So now in the system variables, how to set? Simple. Assume if you see first, there will be nothing related to Java home. Okay, there will be no Java home. Okay,
Okay.
if it is already available, then you can see in the command prompt automatically. Okay, so here you have to go once after installing Java. Okay, if you go to C program files and then Java, you can see these two folders automatically created. Okay, you can see this automatically. Now you have to go to Java. So I have given you the clear instructions here in this document. Okay,
Okay.
setting of Windows. Okay, how to install and then how to set the environmental variables. Okay, so now I'll just set up. I will give. Okay, so now here I'm telling go to system properties. Okay, can be found in this path. Okay, and then advanced system settings, or right click on my computer and go to properties. Okay, and then click on advanced tab and then click on environmental variable. Okay, so this where you can find this environmental variable after clicking on advanced tab. Okay, fine. Then you will be coming to this place. Okay, then you have to add, initially there will be no Java home. Okay, then you have to click on new and then you have to add Java underscore home, and then you have to give the path of this JDK. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go here and then you have to copy this path and then go on, set the path there. Okay, new Java underscore home and then place this path and then click on OK. Is it clear?
Yeah. Can
So
you go to the path again, sir? There are two folders, right?
you have to give the JDK path. Okay.
JDK path only.
Okay. It's clear. So I'm giving that also in the clearly in the document. Okay. So Java home and then you have to give the path. Okay, this is the path. This is my path. Okay, you have to give your path where it is installed. Okay, so how to know the path? You can automatically know when it is installing. Okay, or by default it will be in either in program files or program files x86. Okay, when you go to C, you can see two folders, program files or program files x86. You can find either here or either here. If you don't find program file Java folder, you can just go here and search for Java folder.
Okay.
It will not be available in both. It will be available only either one. Okay. Okay. For example, in my it is in program files. Then you can go to Java and then you can go to JDK and then you copy and place that path here. Okay. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then click on OK.
Yes.
Fine. So you have set the Java home. Okay. And also you have to set the path. So there will be another something called path. Okay. So already by default path will be available in your system. Already there will be available. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to open this. So how to open? Either you can double click on path, so it will open, or you can select this and click on edit. So you can select this and click on edit, then also it will open. Okay. When you open path, if you see here, for you, there will be nothing related to the Java. There will be nothing related to Java. Then what you have to do after opening the path, you have to click on select the path. So I'm telling after undergoing advanced, go to environmental variables, then select the path in system variables. Okay. Okay. In system variables and click on edit button. So when you click on edit button, a different window will open. Then click on new and then you add the path where Java is installed by following the /bin. Okay. Clear. So this is the path. For example, how to do? So I'm telling go to advanced and then go to environment variable. In the system variables, you can search for path and then click on edit. And then here you can see Java. So already I'm having, for example, assume I'm not having Java. Okay. How to add? Simple. You can just double click here and then paste the path, but this time the path should be till bin. Where? Till bin folder. So I'm going to see program files, Java. Before we taken only path till JDK. Okay, now we have to take additional the bin folder path also. And then I have to go to this, and then I have to just place that. That's it. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, you just follow the instructions. Okay, if you don't, even if you go through the video, you can try easily. Okay, so first time it will be a little difficult, but if you try, then it will be easy for you. Okay, once
Mhm.
after setting, sorry, control panel, once after setting, you have to click on OK. I'm going to system, and then I'm going to advanced system settings, and then I'm going to environmental variable. When you are setting, okay, and then you will click on OK, and then you have to click on OK, then the window will close, and then click on OK, the window will close. Okay, without clicking on OK, if you click on cancel, the changes whatever you have done, it will not save. Okay, so now again you can close the command prompt and again open the command prompt and type java space hyphen version, then you can see the new version which is available. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So this is all about the Java installation. Okay, now you have installed Java, you have installed Eclipse also. Okay, you have installed Java and you have installed Eclipse. So after installing the Eclipse, how to open Eclipse? You can just search for Eclipse. It will give you. Okay, and then you can just click on that. It will automatically open. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So today you are going to install Java, set the environmental variables, check the Java version. And also you are going to install the Eclipse. Why you are installing the Eclipse, Farhana?
To execute the files.
Why you are installing?
Where we can write the Java.
So Eclipse is a IDE where you can write the programs. It is the interface. It is a place where we can write the programming language Java. Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when it is coming here, it will ask workspace. What is workspace? Why it wants a workspace? Means workspace is a place where it has to save our programs. Because when we are writing, we have to save, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So where? So we have to give one workspace. So for example, I'm having, for example, Selenium training. So so here you can go and browse. Okay. So for example, I will create one folder. You can go to one folder and you can create a folder. For example, I'm going to see. I'm going to this folder. Selenium training. I will create a fresh batch. Okay. For example, I will create a name as a India batch or morning batch. So I'm creating morning batch. Okay. What is the name of our workspace?
Morning batch.
Morning.
So I'm created in E testing session Selenium training. Okay. And I created a folder morning batch. So you also can create something, some folder before. Okay. Or even if you don't create, if you give the folder name there, it will automatically create. But it's good you can create first. Okay. And then you can go. So I'm going and starting the Eclipse. Then whenever I start the Eclipse, it will ask which workspace, because see, I can create multiple workspaces and I can select which workspace I want to save. Okay. So here I can go click on browse. When I click on browse, it will be giving me an option where I have to browse. So I can go to C and then testing sessions and then Selenium training. And then I can select morning batch. Yes or no? And then click on select folder. So this is the path of my folder. And then I can click on launch. When I click on launch, automatically my Eclipse will start pointing to that folder. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So now once the Eclipse is started, it is pointing that specific folder. Okay.
Okay.
Is that fine?
So the folder is for the whatever we are writing, it is saving.
Exactly, it will save in that folder. Okay. So after a few seconds, the Eclipse will start automatically. Okay. Now the Eclipse is pointing to the folder which you have
Okay.
given. Okay, is that clear?
We have to create that folder before itself when
Yeah,
we
it's better. It's
we
better
have
you
to
clear.
copy
You
and paste.
yes, you can create in any folder, any drive. Okay, E drive, F drive. Okay,
Fine,
or you can
fine.
create in documents anywhere. Okay, fine. So now you can see this window. Okay, now there are some instructions, welcome page, but I will close this. So now when I close, you can see this window. So okay, clear. This is the screen which you can see. You can see this is the screen for Eclipse. What window is this? This window is Eclipse
Eclipse.
window. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, so here when you see Eclipse, here this is here where you can write the program. Here you can't write. This is Eclipse, but for that you have to create a Java project. What you have to create?
Java
Java
project.
Java project.
Because now you want to write Java only, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
When you want to write Java, so first what you have to do, you have to create a
Java
what you have
project.
to create? You have to create a
Java
Java.
Java
project.
project.
You have to create a Java project. How to create a Java project? So once this Eclipse is opened, either you can go to, so these are all the menu options of Eclipse. Okay. So once
Okay.
after creating the Java project, I will tell. So here, if you want to create a Java project, you can go to file, and then you can go to new, and then you can click on Java project. Okay. Where you can go when Java is open. Why you want Java project? Because you are going to write the Java. Yes or no?
Yeah.
For that, you have to create a Java project. Okay, because now you are going to work on a Java project. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
what till now what we have done? First, what we did, we verified the command from Java version. Java was not installed. Okay, and then what we did, we downloaded the Java, we installed the Java, and then we check in the command prompt if the Java. So sometimes what happened in some laptops, the environmental variables will be setting automatically. Okay, in that case, you no need to set, it will be set automatically. Okay,
Okay.
it will be setting automatically. In that case, when you do command prompt Java -version, it will be automatically showing you the version. But in some laptops, it will not set the environmental variable automatically. Okay, in that case, what we have to do, we have to set that manually. Okay, after setting the manually, again you will open the command prompt, again you will check Java version. Is that clear to everyone? And then Java is installed. Once Java is installed, you want Eclipse to write the Java programs, so that you will download the Eclipse and install the Eclipse. After installing the Eclipse, you will open the Eclipse. Once after opening the Eclipse, you are going to create the Java project. Is that clear till now?
Yeah.
Yes.
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 Yeah, everyone clear, right? Very good. So now, how to create Java program? It's simple. Files, new, and then
Java project.
Java project. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or you can directly click a create
Create.
Java project. Okay, you can click here, or you can go to file, new, Java project. So when I click here, it will give me a it is giving me a window. Okay, so it is asking me project name. What it is asking?
Project name.
Project name. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to give up some project name. For example, I give morning batch, something I'm giving. Okay,
It's all right.
okay, some project name. You remember there should be no spaces. Okay, when you're saving something. Okay, so whenever you are creating some class file, something, you should not give any space between the words. Okay,
Okay.
and then you can click on finish. Okay, clear?
Yes.
I have just creating a Java project. I gave the name and I'm clicking on finish. That's it. You can just click on don't create. It is asking to module. It's not required for us. I will just create. No, don't create. So now if you see, a Java project has been created. What has been created?
Java project.
Java
Java
project.
project.
This is the project name which we have created at morning batch. So now
Yeah.
if you expand this, so you can see already the Java, all the Java libraries comes along with this. Okay, because we have created Java project. Okay, so you need not to worry about that. The Eclipse will take care of all that. Okay, because the Eclipse now it know that Java is installed in this laptop, and we are installing Eclipse and we are creating a Java project to work something with Java. Okay, now this is called SRC, the source. What?
Source.
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 So in Eclipse, where after creating the Java project, source is the place where we write the code. Okay, so first of all, we have to go to the source, right click and create a class. What?
Plus.
Yes.
So inside the source, SRC is nothing but the source. Inside the source, we have to create a class. Okay, and then you just remember, for example, in school where we are learning our education, in the classroom, right? See, we are learning by going to school only, we are learning, but where? Inside the school, inside a class. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in the same way, we are writing the Java in a Java project. Okay, but inside that, in a class file. Okay, where is that class? Inside source. Okay, so you remember
Okay.
all the Java programs we write inside a
Class.
Yes.
class.
Class.
Where is that class available? The class is available in the
Source.
source. Where is that source available? Source is available in the Java project. Clear? So now
Yes.
what I'm doing, how to add a class file to a source? Simple, right click on the SRC, go to new class. Yes or no?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay, so now here I can give my first program. Okay, I'm giving the name first program. So now I'm giving the name for my class file. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Fine. Yeah,
Yes.
and then I'm clicking on finish. Okay, if you see here, this is the first program which I created. Yes or no?
Mm.
Yes.
So this is the place where we can write the Java program. Understood?
Yeah.
But if you see,
Yes.
we have not created this default package, but it automatically created. Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you created?
Mm.
No.
No, but it has created automatically because a class can't be created without a package. What?
It can be created.
Class cannot be created without a package.
So class can be created only with package. Okay.
Yes.
So now I will right click on this. I will just remove this. Okay, I will show you how to create a package. First of all, I will show you how to create a package. I'm unable to create. I will just try one. I will create a package first. I will create different package. So I will right click on SRC. I will go to new. This time I'm not going to create a class, but first I'm going to create a package.
Package.
Why? Because class need a package. Okay. How to create a package? Here I can give my name, my first package I'm giving. Okay. Finish. Okay, so these are the two packages now. This is the default package. This is the first package. I want to create my class inside the first package. So I will right click on the first package. I will go to new and then click on class. Then I will give first program. Yes or no? Now, whenever you're creating a class, you should create a class by putting a check mark to public static void main.
Public. Okay.
You have to put the
Public.
check mark. Okay, so now if you put a check mark, I will show you what happens. I will create one more class. For example, I'm creating my second program. Okay, now when I create my second program, I'm not putting the check mark to main. Okay,
Okay.
in that case, when I
Okay.
click on finish, if you see here, there is no main. If you see here, the difference, this is additional. Yes or no? public static
Yes.
void main. Here in second program, you don't have that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, because this is very important for the test execution. For example, this is my second program without main, static void main, because you have not put that check mark. Okay, while creating a class, you did not put a check mark to allow public static void main. Yes or no?
Okay.
Now here, for example, I will just write and tell you what is this. Okay, so here if you write, for example, here I'm having something like here I'm writing something. I will explain you. Okay, hello. So now this is hello. So if I write here hello, it will throw error. Okay, so if you see here, is there error?
Mhm.
There is no red color mark here. There is no error. But if you go to second program, it is having red color mark here. See? Yes or no? Because we can't write a program without main. Okay, we can write the program only inside the main.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes.
What is
Yes.
clear?
We can only
We
write.
cannot write a
the
program
main.
without main.
Okay, we can write the program only inside the main. Okay, for example, here also, if I remove this and if I place outside the main, it will give me error. Okay. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
So wherever you see these flower brackets, for example, you can see the flower brackets here. Yes or no? When I
Mhm.
place the cursor, you can see where it is ending. The flower bracket is ending. Okay, so this main is starting from here and ending till here. So this flower bracket indicates from where it is starting and where it is ending. Okay,
Okay.
this class is starting here and ending here. Is that clear? If I
Mhm.
place my cursor here, it will. So wherever you see, wherever there is a flower bracket starting, there should be ending also for the flower bracket. See, there are two flower brackets here starting. So there are two flower brackets ending. Okay. So the flower bracket, the class flower bracket is starting here and ending here. The main flower bracket is starting here and ending here. Okay. So inside a class, there will be a main. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now see, everything you'll get more knowledge based on your practice. Okay. Slowly. Okay. So
Okay.
don't get confused. Okay. If something is confused, you ask me. Okay. So now we will write a small program now. Okay. So this will be our first program of Java. So here we will just write how to print something. That's it. How to
Print.
print. We are not writing any. We will not start today any logic. We'll just learn how to write a small output to print a program. Print. So to print something, we are having system out println. What is the concept?
System dot
System
out.
out printer.
Some out print ln.
So we are telling, hey system, please print this statement for me. Okay. For example, how to print is we can write system dot okay
Out.
output. We can write like this, or the shortcut is you just type, press shift button, SYSO.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So in okay, you are typing SYSO and then control space. See, you should remember the SYSO should be in capital letter only. Okay.
Okay.
If it is small letter, it will not work. You type SYSO in capital letter and then press control space. Sorry, okay, SYSO and then control space. Okay. It will automatically give you system.out.println, or you can also type system dot out dot println. When you give, you will get many options. In that you have to select the println. Okay. Is it clear? Either way you can
Yes.
do. Okay. What is the shortcut? You have to give SYSO in capital letters SYSO in capital letters and then control space. Okay, so
Okay.
here you can write anything, whatever you want. Hello, or you can write anything. Automation training. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Now, how to run? I have written something, but I want to print this. How to print? Simple. Right click. You can right click on any place. Okay. And then you can click on run as Java application because this is a Java. So how to run? Right click, run as
It's Java application.
Java application. Then click on OK. Why it is coming this way? Because we have not saved here. Okay. So I'm just saving here. I'm just saving here. So I will just go here, run as Java application. Okay. So now if you see here, you can see here Java training. This is the one which we have given as no.
Yeah.
It is giving me Java training. Okay. So if you want to type something, so you can write something. Whatever we give, it will be printing in Java. See, yes or no? You can give anything. You can write multiple statements. So, but you have to write everything in double quotes. Okay. Always the things to be in double quotes. Okay. Now, if I run, it will be printing in 3 lines. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Fine. So here what we are doing, we are just printing the statements. That's it. Okay. We are
Okay.
just printing some content, printing the statement. That's it. Okay. What is that? How are you? We are just printing. How are you? That's it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Fine.
whenever we need to add start a new program, we have to create a new package and the new class first.
Exactly. Even
Default.
if you don't create a new package, it will create a default package. But I don't want to write something in default package. So I created a package and showed you. Okay.
Okay.
Even if you forgot to create package and you are right clicking directly on source and creating on class, it will automatically create a default package because Java is smart. Java is intelligent that it is realizing that, hey, Farhana has forgot to create a package. So I will help Farhana by creating a default package. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is the first program. Okay. But now you have written multiple lines here. How many lines are there? 3 lines. Okay.
3 lines.
But for example, I don't want to run this second line. Then I can remove this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But if I remove this and run, only 2 lines will run, which is correct. But I don't want to remove. Only for now, for today I want to remove, but tomorrow I want to run. In that case, I can comment this. What I can do?
Command.
When comment, COMMET. Okay. So
Comment,
whenever I
okay.
say comment means temporarily that will not be executed. It is called as comment. Okay. How to write comment? / indicates comment. Okay. So if I put // this line will change to different color. Now if I run this, it will not execute that line. See, yes or no? So whichever line you don't want to execute, you will add a comment. What you will add? Comment. So for example, if I don't want to execute the first line, then what I have to do?
Double slash and then.
/ indicates that the line is commented. Okay. So even if I make this as /, then now when I run, nothing, output will have nothing. See, yes or no? If I want to execute only one line, I can uncomment that. So commenting means adding two slashes. Uncommenting means removing the 2 slashes. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
yes.
whatever we give in 2 slashes, that is called comment. For example, I can write comment like this: my first program. For my understanding, I'm writing some comments for each set of lines. I can write, yes or no?
Yes.
I can write like one more comment, my second program. But whenever you are writing, you should give 2 slashes.
Double slash.
If you remove this slash, it will throw error messages. Okay.
Yeah.
Because Java is not understanding what is this. Okay. So you have to give, whenever it's comment, you have to give 2 slashes. Okay. Now fine. Assume you are having some 10 lines. Okay. Now here, when there is only 3 lines, whenever you want to comment 1 line or 2 lines or 3 lines, you are just giving slashes. Yes or no? Like this. But I am having hundreds of lines. Now I have to block it 10 lines. Okay. In that case, you can't go and give for each line like this. Yes or no? It's a difficult job, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
In that case, you know that you have to comment first set of lines. Then simple. You can put slash star and you can put wherever till you want slash star. So using slash star, you can comment block of lines, set of lines. Okay, is that clear? Using double slash, you can comment only 1 line, but using slash and star, and then star and star. So you are telling I have to comment from here to here, whatever lines inside this you are commenting. Asterisk, is that clear? So it is
Yes.
slash and asterisk. So whenever you want to comment a block of lines, set of lines, number of lines, then you can add from where to where by putting slash and asterisk sign. At the starting place you have to put, and at the ending place you have to put asterisk and slash. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes or no?
They are like open braces and closed braces, right? Slash star and star slash.
See, braces is different. Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm
Yeah,
asking.
yes.
Like
From
that.
starting and at the
Then
end.
the start of the end point of the slash.
Yes. Okay. Is that clear?
Mhm.
So now,
Yes.
so I will stop the class here. Okay. And you can practice this. Okay.
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 Fine.
If you have any doubts, okay, you can go through my video, or because I may not send the video immediately. Okay. Sometimes you may receive the video at the night also, at the evening also. Okay. Fine. So now whenever you are having doubt, you can message me, or you can check with the Tazinara also. Okay. Okay. You can send your doubts to Tazinara, or it's commonplace. Very good thing is you can post your doubts in the group, WhatsApp group. Whoever see the message and whoever know the answer can help you. For example, Shravanti got doubt. Already Saujina may know that. Saujina will answer to her. Or Tazinara know, she will answer. Or Farhana know, she will answer. If nobody is know the answer, I will at the end I will tell. Okay. Or Farhana got doubt, which is that concept is clear to Shravanti or Saujina or Tazin. They can help her to understand. Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will stop the session. Okay. And then I will share the video. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.